अ, सर हे जे फॅक्ट फायंडींग कमिटी आली संदीप जाकरे सर तेणें तेजो रिपोर्ट आतां भायर जाला आसता. तुमकां कितें सांगपाचें रिपोर्टाचेर?
हो सरकार मरे हो ब्लफ गेम खेळटा सरकार. तुम चोयल जातले जात्रे जो इन्सिडेंट जाला तेका तेमी एक फॅक्ट फायंडींग कमिटी घायली आनी दे पूट आमगे जो संदीप जाकेस आहा वन ऑफ द गुड ऑफिसर्स दे हॅव पूट देर टू कॅरी आउट दीस रिपोर्ट. पूण आयज रिपोर्ट हुंया हॅव दे कम आउट वीथ द रिपोर्ट. आनी एक क्वेश्चन मार्क आहा गोंयकारांक चिंतपाक. हांव एक याद करपाक सोदतां. डॉक्टर स्नेहा गिट्टे ही जी आहा शी हॅड अ शोकॉज नोटीस. ते शोकॉज नोटीस दिली August 9, 2024, and this was issued by the same Sandeep Jakis, who is the member secretary. ये शोकॉज नोटिसाचो कित जाला? 9th August 2024, this same Dr. Sneha under the same Mr. Sandeep Jakis एक इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जाल्ली आनी त्या शोकॉज नाडली. त्या शोकॉजा कित जालां? वॉट इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ दॅट शोकॉज नोटीस? अँड टुडे अगेन तीच डॉक्टर स्नेहा हॅज बीन ट्रान्सफर्ड. She has been transferred, saying that she is responsible. As per this committee's report, she is responsible, and the same person is heading this committee. So, आज सरकार जो आहा, जे जितले लोक मेले, जे जितले आमगे हिंदू भाव, जे हे देवस्थाना गेल्ले, आनी जे मिसमॅनेजमेंटा लागून जितले हिंदू भाव देवस्थाना वचोन भायर पडले, आनी जे जितले थिंगा मिसमॅनेजमेंट जाला, हे सरकारा लागून जाला. आनी हो सरकार आतां हे डॉक्टर स्नेहा आनी कलेक्टर आनी SP हेंचेर घालून हेंक तुमकां ट्रान्सफर कोताय नाजाल्यार सस्पेंड कोताय. पूण तें सस्पेन्शन जालें म्हणटकीर त्या सस्पेन्शनाचें कांय जायना. सो हो ब्लफ आहा. इट इज टोटली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द BJP सरकार. दीस एंटायर कम्युनिटी शूड बॉयकॉट दीस गव्हर्मेंट बिकॉज दे हॅव mismanaged, manipulated things, have been manipulating in the past, are manipulating things now and taking the entire community for granted.
So you mean to say that fact-finding committee report is there is
Not
Where is the
possible.
report?
Not-
Where is the report? Where is the report? We demand that we want to see the report. We want to see the report. And we also want to see the report and what has happened to the show cause notice of 9th August 2024. Dhoni answers jai amka. And we need from the person who is heading this committee. We need answers. Not just saying that there is a report and you are trying to bluff the people. This community is not going to forgive you. This entire community who went for the Jatra over there, they are not going to be with the BJP government and not going to be with the BJP. तुमच्यान तेंक फोटोवपा जावपाना. कितेंय करूं, you will not able to bluff this community. This entire community needs to boycott the BJP. And this is what they have to do. तेन्ना तेंक पडटलें. This entire community need to boycott them.
जस्ट कन्फर्म करपाक तुमकां रिपोर्ट काय मेळना हेजेर?
ना आमकां रिपोर्ट मेळना आनी आय डोंट सी एनी रिपोर्ट विच इज कम आउट अनलेस I have not seen it in this second half. But I have not seen any report.
सो कलेक्टर SP जे ट्रान्सफर बी केल्या म्हणटा इट्स जस्ट एस्केप गोट तांकां केला कशें दिसता सरकारान.
Showcause notice धाडली last time. Dr. Sneha also same situation. Now also she has been transferred. Collector has been transferred. Everybody has been transferred. Transfer जाल म्हणटरी लोक विसरले न्ही. आख्खी जी दोंड कम्युनिटी आहा ती सगळे विसरले न्ही कितें जालें तें. तो ते विसरपाक शकना. आनी तुमकां अकाउंटेबिलिटी तुमचेर वयता. Not on the SP and not on the collector that you will get away with this because none of your show cause notices and none of your transfers has gone to a logical end. So we strongly condemn all of Goa and they are trying to make sure and taking Goa and Goans at large.
The death of 7 people, do you think it's taken lightly? People are just transferred, rather they should be suspended and investigate.
तांकां पळोवंक गेल ना. हे सरकाराक कोण गेल ना. हे सरकाराक तेंगे कार्यकर्त्याक देखून मरोन आयले तांकां कोण गेल ना. असलो हो सरकार. हे सरकाराक फकत जाय की तुका यूज केल्लो तुका वोट मारून तांकां जिखोवन हाडलो. This is the whole problem with this government. They do not care for their voter. They do not care for their community. They are only using community for vote bank politics. They do not care about anything else. If they would have cared, they would have done lot things in a better way because Goa and Goans deserve much better than what this government is doing.